In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add item in VivifyScrum when issue is created in Jira Service Management. So let's say your developers use Jira Service Management for IT and service management purpose. Now you want every time a new issue is created here in Jira Service Management, an item should be created in VivifyScrum so that the other team on the project can be updated about the same. So here we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add Jira issues to VivifyScrum, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Jira to VivifyScrum. Now it will show you two windows, Trigger and Action. Trigger is when this happens, Action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, Trigger and Action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when an order is placed, the action can be add the order details in a Google Sheet. In our case, a trigger can be when a new issue is created in Jira, the action can be add it in VivifyScrum. So let us begin and select Jira Service Management as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we will simply select new issue created. Now it will show you a webhook URL like this. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects to applications. So let us copy this. And now then let us follow these instructions so as to know how we are going to set up this webhook URL in Jira Service Management so that we can connect Pabbly with Jira. So first we have to log into our Jira Service Management account. I'm already logged in. Now we have to go to Project Settings, Automation, and then create a rule. So alright, here is my Jira. You will see here. This is the project I'll be working in, Demo Service Project, and these are a few issues that were earlier created. Now let us come back to our left hand side, and in the below you will see Project Settings. And now it will show you a menu. Scroll down as you will see Automation. Now come to the right corner, top right corner, and you will see Create Rule. Let us click there. Now let us see what the instruction says. So now select issue created from Issue Trigger section and then click on Save. So here we are in the drop down. You will see, if you will scroll down, you will see here Issue Triggers. So select that, and from there click on Issue Created. And now on the right hand side you will see Save option. Just click there. Again, let us go to Pabbly and see what the instruction says. Then we have to go to New Action and send web request under Notifications section. New action, just click there. And in the All Components drop down, if you will click, you will see Notifications. So from here you will have to select Send Web Request as it is written in the instructions. Now you will see this URL section here. So we'll go to Pabbly. Again, we'll copy this, and like you will see, we have to paste the URL in the field and select issue data Jira format from web request body. Okay. So I've pasted the URL. If I scroll down in the web request body, from the drop down, I will select issue data Jira format. All right. And now I will just click on Save. So here you will have to name your automation. We will just write here Trials Only, since this is just for testing purpose. You can give your name. And now let us just turn it on, and you will see the automation has been turned on. Okay. So here in the Pabbly, you will see it's waiting for webhook response. So now we will have to again go to our Jira, then do a dummy submission. Let's create a dummy issue there and see if Pabbly is able to capture the response. So now I'm going to create an issue here. So this was the earlier one that I had created with the key number demo38. Okay. So now I'm going to select here service request, summary. So the summary system problem, then the due date is of 1st October, then the description system not working properly, kindly look into. I'm going to assign it to Pabbly apps and let me just hit create. Okay, this issue has been created. Let me just refresh this and you will see it here. System problem has been created here. The summary it is showing. Now let us go to Pabbly and see if it is able to capture the response. You can see here the issue key is demo43, this one. And if you will further scroll down, you will see other details. That is the issue type name, that was service request here. Then the project name is here. If you will further scroll down, you will see the priority, that was medium. Then you will see the description, system not working properly, kindly look into, and you will find other details. So this means we have successfully integrated our Jira Service Management with Pabbly. Now on to our action step. So here we are going to select VivifyScrum. For the action event, we are going to select create item. So we want every time an issue or new issue is created here, an item should be created here in VivifyScrum. Let us connect, add new connection, and now it needs token. So for that, we will have to log into our VivifyScrum account as it is mentioned in the help text. And then we can find our API key on the configure board under the integrations tab. Okay. So this is my Vivify. So I will be working on this board, connect board. I'll click there and you will see here are the lists. So I want an item to be added here. Okay. So now we will go to configure board. That is the last icon you will see. We'll click there. And here now come to the top. You will see this menu, details, settings, hotkeys and integrations. Let us click on integrations. And in the list, in the third number, you will find API. So we'll go to API and you will find the API key. Let us copy this, come back to Pabbly and paste the key. Now let us just save. Now we need to map a few details here. Let us start with board code. So code of the board you can find on your configure board page. Okay, so I was working on this board, like you can see connect board. It has every board will have a board code. Okay, so that we are going to take from here. Just click on details and in the board code section you will find this. Just copy it, come back to Pabbly and paste the board code. Now comes the name. So that is the name of the task item. All right, so we are going to just map it from Jira Service Management. You can see the details here. But before we map in these details, you must be thinking, where exactly are we getting these Jira details here from? So for that, I will take you to step 1, where we integrated Jira Service Management and Pabbly and did a test submission. We created a dummy issue there and Pabbly captured all these data, all this response from here. So Pabbly has brought exactly these data. This data here in the VivifyScrum account. So now let us just map this. So here first we will take the issue key. Why we are going to take this? Because for every issue created in Jira, it generates a unique issue key. So we are going to take this here, map this here first, then give a space, and then we will scroll down and you will see the issue type name, that is service request. So let us map this here. So this is going to be the task name. Now comes the description. So here let us search using description if we can get any. Alright, so here you will find the description, system not working properly, kindly look into. So we will map this and then see if you want to give any email. So I'm going to leave it blank as it is not a mandatory field. Alright, so here you will see type and priority. So type, if you need anything, you can select from here, like the specific type if you need anything. So I would take it as a task. All right. Now for the priority, let me keep the priority high. Okay. So we have given these details. We have mapped in these details. Now before I click on save and send test request, just one quick thing I would like to tell you. Here you can see the mapped in fields, that is the name and description. So these mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is, the next time a new issue is created in Jira Service Management and the response is captured. So here in VivifyScrum, the mapped in fields like name, description, these mapped in fields will automatically pick the new data and you will not have to do it manually. So now let us just scroll down and click on save and send test request. And you will see we have received the response here. This was the name of the task that we had given, demo 43 service request. Then this is the description we had given. If you will scroll down, you will find other details as well, the board name, the board code. Now let me take you to my VivifyScrum account and see if an item was created there in the board that we had selected with these details. So here is my Vivify account and I'll take you to my board here. And you will see this item is created here with the name demo 43 service as we had mapped here. You can see the name here. Then if I click here, you will also see the description system not working properly. Kindly look into as we mapped in. And also you will see here in the response, it has generated a code here, CBBO40, the item code here basically. So now I'm going to take you here and you will see this ID here, this code here. Okay, so this means we have successfully integrated our VivifyScrum and Jira Service Management using Pabbly Connect. Not only this guys, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. For any queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com. Our team will definitely answer your queries. You can also visit our website on www.pabbly.com/connect. For latest updates, you can also join our Facebook group. Share this video with your friends and help them automate their businesses.